So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So first thing, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments. And also guys, you need to subscribe to the YouTube membership program, which is currently opened for you guys, because there we are going to be going live together. Not only are we going to be going live, potential trade setup will be shared with you guys on the channel, right? On the membership program, we are going to be sharing potential trade movements for the week, right? If you want to trade, if you need a trade setup for the week, we're also going to be sharing potential trade setup for the week. We're also going to be going live. We're also going to be doing some back-to-back in-depth analysis, right? And some special program that we're also going to be covering. So if you did not want to miss out on it, you can actually subscribe to the YouTube membership program. Now back to our analysis. This is our prediction on our Swiss franc JPY. It is very clear Swiss franc JPY is in an uptrend move. This is our overall trend on Swiss franc JPY. We are in an uptrend move, right? So if you take a look at what market is doing, market is pushing up, right? It is giving us a series of higher high and an higher low right here. This is the series of higher high and an higher low market has been giving us, which is your higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low. Now let's take a look at this to be our new higher high. Here comes the pullback, which is our support level, right? Market rejected from our support level, came back up, then it dropped again to retest this our support level, right? Market rejected and bounced up, right? Then it came back again to retest this our support level. Now it is pushing up. Now it is now trending to the upside. So this is to tell you that a bullish move on Swiss franc JPY is what we should be expecting. Now back to our analysis. Market did give us this high, and this is the pullback, which is an higher low. Market again was able to give us this new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? This is the higher low. Market eventually was able to push up to give us a new higher high. So be very careful, because an higher low will be playing out very soon. So just in case if the higher low plays out, we should be expecting market to push up one more time to take out this high to form a new high. So what we're trying to say is that this day, right, we should expect a pullback to play out to tap our 10-period simple moving average. This is it, right? Let's see it pull back to tap our 10-period simple moving average. Then we can now start looking for the buy that we push up to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY.